Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your front door panel on your Honda CRV. And to start off, we're going to remove this window control switch. And you can see that little tiny groove in the front of it. We're going to take a real small flathead screwdriver and just press it in a little bit. Just get that gap like you can see right there. Just get a little bit of a gap, and then we'll take our plastic pry tool and we'll get underneath there and we'll pry up on it. And it's very important to use a plastic pry tool on this. If you use anything metal like a flathead screwdriver, you can end up messing up your window control plate. And I'll put a link in the description below of the pry tools I like to use. I just get them off Amazon. And then once we have the plate all loose, we're just going to flip it over and unplug it by pushing on the tab and pulling out on it at the same time. And then underneath there is a Phillips screw that needs to come out. And then we're going to come around to the bottom side of the door panel here, and again we're going to use a plastic pry tool and get up between the door panel and the actual door itself, and we're just going to start prying out and working our way up. There's several clips in behind there that we need to pop loose, so we're just going to keep working our way around, slowly popping those clips loose. And once we can get our hand in behind there, you can just go ahead and pull out on the bottom of the door panel. And then when you get around to the top, just pull directly back on the door panel and it'll pop off of that top clip. And that's it guys. That's how you remove your door panel. Thanks for watching.